I got this really cool battery-powered pressure washer sent to me to make a video about. It's got a battery on the bottom, a 20-volt 4-amp battery. You can either do a foam cannon for washing, and then for your spray nozzles, you have an adjustable one that you put on. So you just twist it and lock it into place, just like that. And then you got all your different spray nozzles on here. I'm just going to go ahead and plug it in and we'll see how it works. You want to make sure you hear it click, otherwise it's going to spray everywhere. And then you just connect it to a hose, and this hose can either go into a bucket or into a lake, so that's kind of a unique feature, or you can just connect it to a garden hose like I got it here. It has different power levels on here. So you can hit the power button, P1, P2, or P3, and then back to P1. So we'll go to P3, show you how powerful that is. That's a little more efficient. You can hear it's not quite as loud. This thing has up to 800 psi. P1 is 200 psi. P2 is 400 psi. And P3 is 800 psi. And then P3. You can also do this really neat one right here. When you put it on this one, then you can spray underneath your wheel well. You see how cool that is. Turned it back down to P1. And then just back to spray. There's just a regular spray if you want to spray your vehicle. And then you can adjust it to this one. 40 is probably pretty good to spray the vehicle down with. 25 probably be all right too on the low pressure. It also comes with a foam cannon. You get a little bucket for your soap, and it's got a little nozzle in it. And then you just attach this to the end of the pressure washer. Go ahead and try it out. And then you can adjust the amount of foam you have. Go right in the middle. And then if you want to rinse it, you can turn it all the way to the other way. This way makes it lots of foam, and this way makes it no foam. You just turn your water on. Push down the thumb. Push down the thumb mark to release the trigger. And start spraying. I got my truck clean, I got the driveway clean, and we'll see where the battery's at. So it looks like there's a couple of bars left. So we did all that and we still got some power left. The nice thing about a battery-powered pressure washer is you don't have to mess with a gas pressure washer by trying to pull the cord on it to get it to start. They can be kind of finicky. And then if you have an electric pressure washer, you have to find somewhere to plug it in. The nice thing about this with the battery is you can take it anywhere. And even if you don't have a water hose, you can just bring a bucket with you and then just get your water that way. So yeah, this thing's pretty versatile. If you're looking for a battery-powered pressure washer gun, this is a pretty nice one. Another nice thing about this pressure washer is it's got a nice case. It's got little cubbies for everything, so you just put everything in the case and then you can just fold it up, and then you got a couple of zippers. You can just zip it up. Got 2 nice zippers, one on each side. And then it's got a nice handle, and then you can just store it and it's all ready to go next time you need it.